the crop top. Okay, so first you draw a flat U shape. Then you do 2 curves to the bottom. Put another half on the top. Now do the hair. The eyes will be one big circle, another big circle inside it, and a small circle at the bottom. Colour in the background where there are no circles. If you want, you can add eyelashes. That depends on if you want to do it as a, just add eyelashes if you want, because that'll make the girl look like a girl. Now do the same on the other side. Now do a little smile, or any mouth you want. Then do a neck down, and another neck down. And then do her arms. Do 2 sleeves there, and end it there. Do a belly button there. Continue the arms so that it looks like she's holding something. One arm could be like that, or you could just do a proper hand. And the other one, she could be holding a cup or just a proper hand. You could do some decorations on the cup if you add one. Now to do the rest of her body, do her legs first. Do the middle line. Now do her shoes. If you want, you can do sandals. After that, you can colour it in. Pause it. If you want to copy the colouring, you can pause the video now and copy the colouring. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Just like that, this is Nikki, signing out for now.